Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable notifications on your Vizio app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Vizio app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on account down here, and just click here on account. It's going to take you to this here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on notifications here. When you just click here on notifications, then it's going to take you to this list here. Come here to notifications, click in this sign here or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here notifications disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.